What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on DWAC ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we completed all 5-wave structure from the bottom at the end of November till this very top on February 22nd. And I have to say that this movement to the downside was 100% predictable, and I've told you right here that we should form our ABC correction, at least a simple zigzag correction. And because of the fact that we completed all 5 waves, we can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom of the first wave to the very top of the 5th wave. Because 5 wave on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but 1 wave on a bigger scale. And this means the ranges of 0.382, as you can see right here, 0.382, next let me make it a little bit longer, 0.5, and the golden pocket range, the key levels for this asset to see some kind of bounces. And as you can see, we had this bounce on 0.382 at the price point of 79.36 cents, and at this point I've told you that the next potential bounce might be at the 0.5 range, and as you can see, we hit it to the tick and had this bounce. And next one definitely was the golden pocket range, the range in between 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci retracement levels, at the price point in between $61.06 and $63.25. And we had this movement to the upside and we hit this previous resistance. And then we went even lower, and for now, as you can see, we are exactly at the range where we had our long-term investment range. And right here, I've told you that the range of roughly $40 might be a very good accumulation point if this company will do everything that was intended. And for now, we are exactly at the same range. And right here, you can see the range of $37.17 is the lowest point so far. It is the previous swing low. And definitely this range, let me mark it for you as a support. This range should hold in order to remain at least neutral for the quite some time, because for now this asset from its previous swing high lost more than 63% of its value to the lowest point. And definitely this movement to the downside is quite massive, and we have to be prepared for even more downside pressure because we have some bearish news. So I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let me show you what was the reason of the most recent movement to the downside. Let me show you this article that was published on April 21st, and it's titled "Why Shares of Digital World Acquisition Corporation Are Falling Today." And let me quote you this. The DWAC Corporation slumped nearly 12% following a recent short report from a hedge fund. DWAC is a special-purpose acquisition company taking the parent company of the Donald Trump-backed social media platform Truth Social Public. And let me quote you this. The hedge fund Kerrisdale Capital Management took to Twitter yesterday to announce that the fund is shorting DWAC. Kerrisdale's main thesis is that DWAC will not receive regulatory approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission to merge with Trump Media and Technology Group. And let me quote you their tweet. The SEC has been handed a prime op to send a message to the industry. Not only is DWAC and TMTG high profile, but the deal involves a repeat offender. DWAC's sponsor in an obscure Chinese firm that has seen 3 of its shell companies killed by the SEC in the past. And definitely, because of this report, a lot of investors just paid their attention to this stock. and they started to sell these stocks because of uncertainty. And the worst thing that might happen for a certain asset is the uncertainty time. Because if you are certain enough, even with the bad outcome, definitely you know what to expect. But if you don't know what to expect, it is even worse. Because in this case, none of your positions might be profitable. And that is how this asset is moving south, and during last several sessions it lost 20% of its value. Massive movement to the downside. And I have to say that this might continue because we don't have any fundamentals that might support this asset in a medium or even long-term perspective. And let me show you that for now, this asset is losing its support even from retail community. On stocktweets.com website, on the most active section, we have DWAC ticker on the 7th place, but we don't have this ticker symbol on trending section, and we don't have this ticker symbol on watchers section as well. And on apewisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity of Wall Street Bets community related to different assets, DWAC ticker is on the 59th place, and it has only 11 mentions, and it has a 59% decrease in its mentions during the last 24 hours. Definitely it is losing its momentum, and the main reason for now is the uncertainty because of their potential merger. And that is why we have to be cautious until we will see some clarification from SEC, or we might see some statements from Mr. Donald Trump, and right after that we will see what should we expect from the fundamental standpoint. But from the technical standpoint, basically let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And from the technical standpoint, let me show you that probably we have the bottom of our A wave in the golden pocket. Right here we have the top of our B wave, and we are forming the bottom of our C wave. And this breakdown doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rules. And for now, as you can see, we are exactly at the same range than we were right here at the bottom of the first wave. And in case if this asset breaks this bottom, we will invalidate this movement from this bottom to this top as our wave, impulsive wave. And this means we might see lower price action and longer consolidation phase in these levels, in the ranges in between probably $25 to $45. And that's why we have to be prepared for this. But from the swing trade position standpoint, we have very risky but quite interesting setup. We have this bounce from its lowest point at $38, and we have this movement to the upside. And right here, probably we already completed all 5 wave structure inside the C wave. And if it is the case, and if we completed all 5 waves right here, like this, we have to have at least a bounce to the upside, and this bounce might be quite interesting. So if you want to enter a very risky swing trade position, you can accumulate at the current prices, but you have to put your stop loss slightly below this bottom. Or if you are risk tolerant enough, you can put your stop loss slightly below this yellow line at the price point of roughly $37. And this setup will give you the downside potential of about 11%, but the upside potential, depending on the bounce, we might have up to 27% to this previous swing high. And as you can see, we hit with the top of our 4th wave this range of resistance. Next range might be right here at 44.79% of potential profits at the price point of roughly $59.69. And I have to say that I don't think that we might hit higher targets for now, because fundamentally we don't have enough steam to push the price of this asset higher. And if this bounce happens, we might hit most likely only this first range, and that's why you have to ladder your buys down all the way down almost to the range of your stop loss, and this will increase your upside potential for this asset, and this will decrease your potential losses. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.